Nice wintry day on the island.
Express coming through with the heavy snow. Oh yeah. So Thomas, what do you want to do once everyone arrives?
So, since it's a snow day on the Sodor, why don't we read a story?
It's about big losers and Popeye.
Huh, no. Not only that.
It was the stupid car's fault, not mine.
Right? You could be right, James.
Alright. Enough of the talk afterwards. So, who wants to shunt these freight cars? Percy, if Edward's feeling sick on snow day, can you give him some Motrin? Or one of the firemen should do it.
Of course, sir.
Toby, I know you're new, but can you please do the job right now?
Oh, yes indeed, sir. I would love to.
That's good to know, Toby. James, would you might as well do the same things after all?
Yeah. I think so.
That sounds good, James. Gordon, you have to carry the express all the way to New Hampshire. Sure thing, sir. Well, that wasn't a fumble to me. Good luck, sir. Thomas, I know you're a smart engine, but can you please make sure if Brandon Docks is safe for the snow?
You got it, sir.
How is your son doing?
My son is doing fine. He is staying home watching TV because he has a long day at school. From anywhere else. So, lucky me.
That's good, Thomas. Well, sit aside now.
I'm gonna prank the engines on snow day. Oh, Devious Diesel's approaching.
Where?
I don't see him. Get ready.
Oh no, I'm in danger. No, I'm in danger. No. Look out. He's blowing the horn on us. Well, Devious Diesel. Looks like we got to have a little bit of a talk here.
Yes, sir.
You caused major delays, Devious Diesel. You have caused confusion and delay.
But what did I do?
You made it a serious accident by causing Thomas to crash into a snowbank.
I'm feeling a little bit soggier.
Well, like I said before...
It's the stupid car's fault, not mine.
That's the proof, James. The stupid cars is not your fault. Right, sir. Otherwise, Devious Diesel didn't mean to cause an accident. Well, of course, he did. Well, with Thomas.
So that's why accidents did happen. Right, sir?
Yes, Toby. Otherwise, he didn't want to be accepted that.
Like me and Thomas. Thanks, Percy, for clarifying that up. You're welcome.
Devious Diesel, I want you to go to your shed right now. Because you've caused a serious, on purposely, an accident.
Whatever, sir. I wouldn't give you a revenge next time.
Good. He's now in the shed for weeks.
Henry, this has been taking a long time without the snow. You're right, Edward. How long am I gonna take for? Only 30 minutes long. What? 30 minutes?
Well, who do you think that, Henry? Are you serious or not?
No, I am not, Gordon. What about you? Were you serious or not?
Huh. Henry, you're not a puffball. But aren't you being a good engine like me, in fact?
Yeah, as a spread red coat of paint?
Enough of the argument, people. You guys saved the snow. Otherwise, you'll be happy as can be. 3 cheers to all engines.
Should I whistle too?
Yes, Percy. Has anyone seen Toby?
I think Toby left because of the diesel accident.
I see that. So, we'll call this a great day. Otherwise, we have a wonderful time with snow in our Island of Sodor season. Especially with these engines.
Well, I gotta get going.
Me too. We hope to see you again real soon.